how to download apps on Android without Google Play. So if you want to download apps on your Android without the Google Play, then what you need to do is you can just simply go with your Google or your browser, and you need to go with APK option. So you can just simply search for APK, and here you will have a lot of websites. So first one is APKPure.com or APKMirror.com. You can go with any one of these websites, which will allow you to download the apps on your Android without a Google Play. So you can just simply go with search, which is on the top right, and here you can simply search for the application that you would like to download. And here on the right side, you will have download option. You can just simply go with download, and it will download the file. And once you tap on the file that has been downloaded, then it will ask you if you want to install it. You can just simply go with installed, and your application will be installed. So by this APK option, you'll be able to download the applications if you don't have a Play Store. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.